Hey there, I'm Steve. Hope you're having an awesome day, and I don't got any time to waste. I'm going to show you how to play the intro right there to Back in Black on an acoustic guitar. It's not quite a Gibson SG in under 90 seconds. So hit like, hit subscribe, and let's just rock this thing. All right, first up, we're going to hit an E major one time and then palm mute it to stop it. Then you go to a D major, but you're going to leave the open E string like that. Then an A major. Emphasize the low notes right there, and then you do this cool little walk down. 3rd fret of the high E string, open E string, 3rd fret of the B, open B string, 2nd fret of the G string, and you bend it up a half note, or you can do this like that. So either do that, easier on an electric guitar, of course, open G, and back to the E major. Does it again, and after that you put your pinky on the 7th fret of the low E string, and you're going to want to palm mute these to get them real tight. 4th fret of the low E string, back to the 7th, to the 5th fret of that low E string, back to the 7th again, and now the 6th of that E string, and then twice on the low E at the 7th fret and slide it down. So like this. And use any fingers you want. All right, that's it. In under 90 seconds, rewind, put it in slow-mo, see what you think. Hit like if this was helpful, and I'll see you around for some more crazy fast lessons. See ya.